fintech sector has transformed how millions of people send, receive and manage money. But with growing adoption comes increasing challenges, from online fraud and cyber attacks to expensive international transfers and concerns over customer data protection. Those issues are now taking center stage at the Nigerian Fintech Forum in Lagos, where regulators, innovators and technology experts are discussing the future of digital finance. Cross-border payments remain a major sore point, but beyond payment, cybersecurity remains one of the industry's biggest concerns as digital fraud continues to undermine consumer confidence.
I think we have strong players, both in fintech, cross-border, and even in crypto. I don't think we have enough. So we have, 250 million, people in Nigeria. Even if you say the middle class is probably like 10% of that. That's about 25 million people. Most of these platforms, they don't have also a million users.
What we're working on with HyperFX is a new way to swap these stablecoins directly on the blockchain, swapping CNGN, which is the Naira stablecoin, SEC and CBN regulated Naira stablecoin, with USDT, with USDC, eliminating the traditional friction that you experience when swapping on the OTC venues, on WhatsApp, and even potentially on these different crypto off-ramp apps that may not be as liquid.
The major discussion is the central bank's directive requiring payment companies to store data locally. A move experts say could strengthen security, improve regulatory oversight, and protect customer information.
In Nigeria, we need to adopt stablecoin. We need to build more policies. We need to build regulations around it. And most of all, business users need to understand and adopt stablecoin as the future.
You can look at it from different perspectives. From a security standpoint, it provides some level of protection for data that belongs to Nigerians. I mean, if you go to other countries in the Western world, not just financial data, health data that are for a particular country, usually will reside within that jurisdiction. So that if there's anything that the government needs to do to improve the lives of people, they have access to the data.
Let's say you can transfer from your local currency.
And as digital transactions become part of everyday life of millions of Nigerians, stakeholders here say innovation alone is no longer enough. The industry's success will increasingly depend on its ability to build trust among end users, providers, investors through stronger cybersecurity, faster payments, and better protection for consumers.
But I hope that they see
in Lagos, for News Central, Placidia Igboekulie.